Hey guys, welcome to Character Red Workshop. Yep, that's right, I said workshop. A couple days ago on Instagram, I posted a story with hashtag SignOffSunday. And the reason being is we are retiring our old Character Red logo and incorporating Character Red Workshop as a part of our new brand identity. Moving forward, we want to incorporate metal and wood in our designs and really ultimately just give us the freedom to do, anything that we want to do. So with that being said, I want to take you back on our original logo and also the original logo animations and show you guys where we came from and where we are trying to take this along in the future. I hope you guys enjoy the ride and enjoy what's coming in future builds. See you guys. All right, so that was our previous logo and previous logo animations. Now, here is the brand new Character Red Workshop.